I'm going to show you how to install Read and Write for Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. Next, you are going to go to Google and search for Read and Write. When you see Read and Write for Google, click on it. Look for Read and Write for Google Chrome and click on it. When it opens your extension page, click Add to Chrome. This notification box lets you know which permissions you are giving to Read and Write for Google Chrome. You need to click Add Extension. If this additional box pops up, you can close it by clicking on the X. When you look at the top corner of your browser, you should see a small purple box, and this lets you know that you have the Read and Write extension for Google Chrome. Let's see how you use it. We'll go to the website Time for Kids. Let's choose grade 3 to 4. And then we'll click on the first story. When you scroll down, you will see that there is text that Read and Write can read for us. If you go to the purple box at the top of your browser and click on it, you will need to sign in with Google each time you open a new browser. Then click on your purple box again, and it should open your toolbar. If it doesn't, try closing your browser and opening it again. This is the toolbar. You need to select the text you would like to read and then press play.
The IMAX documentary Into America's Wild highlights the natural beauty of the United States. It follows a long-distance hiker, a former astronaut, and a pilot.
If you want to pause the reader, you can click pause. Click it again to resume playing, or press stop to stop the player. You can also use the hover feature. If you click on this speech bubble and then put your arrow by text, it will automatically read the text next to your arrow. Notice that when I move my arrow to different text, it reads the text next to the new spot where my arrow is. When you are done with the hover feature, you can click stop and then make sure you click on the hover feature again to turn it off. When you're done with the Read and Write extension, you can close the toolbar or you can close your browser window. I hope that this helps you to use the Read and Write extension for Google Chrome.